Alright, let's get straight to the point. If you've stumbled across Aquoxis.com and wondered if it's legit, I've done some digging so you don't have to. First up, the customer reviews. On Trustpilot, Aquoxis hovers in the average to low zone, but here's the kicker. A related shop, Aquoxis, is sitting at a rough 1.6 out of 5 stars. That's over 100 reviews, and most of them aren't pretty. People are saying their orders just vanish, sometimes shipped to the wrong country, other times never showing up at all. And if you do get your package, many report the stuff inside is super flimsy, nothing like what's advertised. Trying to return these things? Good luck. The site claims a 14-day guarantee, but there's no clear return address anywhere. That's a big red flag. I also noticed Aquoxis is loaded with too-good-to-be-true deals. Crazy low prices are a classic scam move, so don't take the bait. So, what can you do to protect yourself? First, always check the website's URL. Make sure it's secure. Look for HTTPS and that little padlock icon. Second, pay attention to those trust seals. Real ones are clickable and will take you to a verification page. Fake ones are just pictures. If you must shop, use a credit card or PayPal. Those offer the best protection against fraud. And finally, check out their social media. Real brands have active accounts, actual followers, and real conversations, not just stock photos and zero comments. Bottom line, based on what I found, Aquoxis.com is a high-risk site with way too many warning signs. My advice? Shop somewhere safer, stay smart, shop safe, and if it looks too good to be true, it probably is.